Yes, good morning children. In the last class, we have done some of the problems from 3.6 exercise, that is reducing the given equations to the form of pair of linear equations, and we have solved. Based on that, one or two word problems also we have done, which are based on upstream and downstream. Now we are going to take some other problems which are depends upon the same concept. So here, 2 women and 5 men can do a work, can together finish a work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone and 1 man alone. So this we have to write in the form of pair of linear equation. Let a woman can do in a day is equal, can do in how many days? X days. Because we don't know that how many days she can complete the work. So in 1 day, what part of work it can be do that? That can be 1 by X part. For example, you are doing a work in 2 days. That means in 1 day, 1 by 2. If you are completing the work in 3 days, means 3 equal parts are first day, first part, second day, second part, third day, third part. So 1 day, 1 by third part. Same like that, this fellow is doing that. He is completing the work in X days. So in 1 day is equal 1 by X part. And man can do in Y days. And in 1 day is equal 1 by Y part. Now we got it. A woman can do what part of the work in a day, and a man can do what part of a work in a day. So here, as the first condition, 2 women and 5 men can together finish the work in 4 days. 2 women, 2 into woman capacity is that 1 by X plus 5 men, 5 into 1 by Y is equal. How many days they are completing that? In 4 days. But in 1 day is equal to 1 by 4th part. Okay? Why 1 by 4th part? Because it's completing in 4 days. In 1 day, what part they can do? 1 by 4th part. So here, 2 into 1 by X plus 5 into 1 by Y is equal to 1 by 4. This we can reduce by denoting that 1 by X is equal to A and 1 by Y is equal to B. So this equation will become 2A plus 5B is equal to 1 by 4. So do that in a cross multiplication, then it is a 8A, 4 to the 8A plus 4 5 is 20B is equal to 1. It is the first equation we got. Same like that we have to frame that another equation with the help of a second condition. What is the second condition over here? 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. So 3 women and 6 men finish in 3 days. That means 3 into 1 by X plus 6 into 1 by Y is equal to 3. Okay? Are you understood, please? Now, it is the 3A plus 6B is equal to 3. It's not 3, it's the 1 by 3 part. Now do the cross multiplication. 3 3 is 9A plus 3 6 is 18b is equal to 1. It is the second equation we got it. So first equation you got and also the second equation. These two equations we have to solve. Solve 1 and equation 2. That is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. To make it equal, a coefficients. Why we have to do that? A coefficients must be equal because we have to follow that elimination method. What method? Elimination method. In the elimination method we have to make that any of the coefficients must be equal. So here this you can multiply with the 9, this you can multiply with the 8. 9 8s are 72a plus 9 2s are 18. That means 180b is equal to 9. 8 9s are 72a plus 8 into 18, 144b is equal to 8. In the subtraction, what will you get? Minus, minus, minus. Cancel it. 180 minus 144. It is the 36b is equal to 1. b is equal to 1 by 36. What is the b we have denoted here? 1 by y. Therefore, 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. Y is equal to 36. Next, we have to use this b value to find out the a value by substituting in the equation 1. So here, substitute b is equal to 1 by 36 in equation 1. What is equation 1 here? 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. 9a plus 18 into 1 by 36 is equal to is equal to 1. Now 9a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 9a is equal 1 minus 1 by 2. 9a is equal how much? 1 by 2. And a is equal 1 by 2 into 9. A is equal to 1 by 18. A means what here? 1 by x. A is equal 1 by x is equal 1 by 18. X is equal to 18. So you got that x is equal to 18 and y is equal to 36. What is the x we are denoted as? Number of days taken by a woman can complete the work. And y we are taken number of days will taken to complete the work by a man. So what we are able to do here, one man can complete the work in 18 days, one woman can complete the work in 18 days and one man can complete the work in 36 days. So right here, man can complete in 36 days, woman can complete in 18 days. Okay, this is one of the problem which is a little bit important to you also. Okay, it is a very big problem and complete this. With the help of this, we can do that one more problem also, which is given in the same problem as the same exercise. Yes. Now, another problem. travels 300 kilometers to her home, partially by train and partially by bus. She takes that 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes more. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. This is from exercise 3.6. Second bit, third one. These are very important problems and big problems, also the typical problems. That is why I am explaining again. See once again, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers, partially by train and partially by bus. If she takes that 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes more than the 4 hours. Then find the speed of the train and also the bus separately. So here also the same way we have to do that. We have to write the given problem in the form of equations. Now what is the total distance she has to travel? Total distance is the 300. Now she is going by train and also by bus. Let speed of train is equal x kilometers per hour and speed of bus is equal y kilometers per hour. Because we don't know that the speeds, so we are denoting that x and y. So she is taking 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. First condition or the first case. 60 kilometers by train, remaining 300 minus 60, 240 kilometers by bus in 4 hours. So how do you write? Time is equal to distance by speed. So 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. This you can write 60 into 1 by x plus 240 into 1 by y is equal to 4. Take that 4 common from this. Then how much? 15. Okay. Let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. Reduce this equation by taking 4 common. 15a plus 60b is equal to 4. 4 ones are 4 ones. So 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. It is the first equation. Okay. Same like this. We have to frame that another equation also. What is that another equation here? She is going 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. So second case, 100 kilometers by train and 200 kilometers by bus. Therefore, 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal. How much time it is taken? 4 minutes more than earlier time. That means 4 hours 10 minutes. That is equal 4 10 by 60 in conversion of the hours. 0 0 cancel. Now this is equal 100 into 1 by x plus 200 into 1 by y is equal 25 by 6. So here this also you can write in the short form. 100a plus 200b is equal 25 by 6. So you can take that 25 is the common. 4a plus 8b is equal 25 by 6. Now 25 is cancelled. We can write that 24a plus 48b is equal 1. It is the second equation. Got it? It is the first equation and second equation. Now we have to solve that first and second equations. Solve 1 and 2 equations. Then what is the first equation over here? 15a plus 60b is equal to 1. 24a plus 48b is equal to 1. To make that equal to terms, this you can multiply with the 8, this you can multiply with the 5 to make the terms of a equals to be equal. 8 into 15, 120a plus 480b is equal to 8. It is 120a plus 240b is equal 5. Now subtract it. Minus, minus. So this is cancelled. 480 minus 240. 240b is equal to 3. b is equal 3 by 240. 3 1s are 380 is equal to 1 by 8. So b value you got it. Substitute this b value in the given equation, either 1 or 2. Then here, what is the first equation? 15a plus 60 into 1 by 80 is equal to 1. 15a plus 0, 0, 3 2s are 3, 2 3s are and 2 4s are. So 15a plus 3 by 4 is equal to 1. 15a is equal 1 minus 3 by 4. 15a is equal 1 by 4. A is equal 1 by 60. So a is equal to 1 by 60 you got. A means what we are denoted that 1 by x. A is equal 1 by x is equal, how much you got? 1 by 60, and b is equal 1 by y is equal 1 by 8. Here, therefore 1 by x is equal to 1 by 60. Therefore x is equal to 60. 1 by y is equal to 1 by 80. Therefore y is equal to 80. That means speeds of bus, speed of train is equal to 60 kilometers per hour, and speed of bus is equal to 80 kilometers per hour. Okay. So we got that the speeds of train and bus. Okay. This is the problem is a little bit typical. In the homework, please you have to do again same 2 problems. Repeatedly you can do that in the homework. So today's homework is for you. Same 2 problems you have to do again. Okay. Again we'll see you tomorrow then.